Okay, I just woke up about an hour ago or less, and I know it's after 2 p.m. here, but then I remember I was up almost all night, and then just slept for a little tiny bit, and then went back to bed, and then just woke up a while ago. So I always quite often check the to see if there's an update to Windows, and this time I went and checked, and there wasn't an update to Windows, and I just had a feeling, so I went down and checked the well, let's do that now. So hang on here a second. Let's see. Where am I going to? Let's see. Maybe I can pull it up here. Maybe if I pull it, maybe I can click here and get the sign in options. No. Nope, that's not. Let's check and see if I can go over here and click on this. And nope. Let's go over here. See if I click here. Yes. Okay. So I went to Windows Update to see, and it showed I was up to date. And then I just had a feeling. So I went down here. Sounds like we're under attack. Okay, I just rebooted, so now this. Anyway, I went down to become a Windows Insider, leave the Insider program. So there's been a change to this. Let's see. It says I'm on the latest build for your device. Also says your PC does not meet the minimum requirements, but this is Windows 11, by the way. It did upgrade to Windows 11, and that's when, a while back. Let's see. Help. Let's see. Become a Windows Insider. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Okay, I've never seen this before, like this. Anyway, I did get notice that I was on the, which build was I on? I wasn't on the, let's see. Okay, choose your Insider settings. Let me click on this and see if it, okay. I was on the release preview, and I did not put myself, I don't believe, on that. And then it showed that what they were recommending was the beta channel. And I usually go along with what they recommend. So I did click on the beta channel, and then it popped up that there was updates to be made. And so I did the updates. And the update that it said I needed was KB5027295. That sounds to me like what I had to update with when I went from where Windows 10 was running and it was saying, you know, well, that didn't meet minimum requirements or whatever, and then I was able to run whichever popped up, and I think it was KB5027295. We'll find out here in a second, I hope. And so I see a few little changes, I think. You know, I do the basic stuff, so it's kind of, but what I want to check on is, I'm going to use Chrome right now, because it looks like some significant changes have been made to Bing, or to, what do we call this? What do they call this now? Microsoft Edge? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I think so. So what I want to do is search for, is KB5027295, and I'm okay, wait a minute. So this, no, I see. Okay, I didn't okay, I see in the front of here, 16 hours ago, KB5027295, and 1 day ago we are releasing Windows 11 preview build. Okay, that's a different one. No, over here it says that it's KB5027295 to the beta channel. Let's see here. Okay, let's do this. Let's see what is new with this for my computer. Announcing Windows 11 Insider Preview build. 7295, no. But down below it says, hello Windows Insider, today we release Windows 11 Preview build. They give, yeah, and they do mention there is a third one. Okay, to the beta channel. Okay, now build 22631.1972 is new features rolling out. Build 22621.1972, new features off by default. Huh. Okay, remainers inside who are previously on build 22624 will automatically get moved to beta 22631. That's the new features rolled out. The enabled package artificially increments the build number to the update of the new features getting rolled out and turns on to make it easier to differentiate between devices with the update, with features off by default. The approach is to begin using for the beta channel only and is not indicative of any changes or plans for the final rollout. Okay. So, okay, you can see this and I will link to this. New, the update improves several simplified Chinese fonts. Okay, new. With this update, you can now authenticate across Microsoft Cloud. This feature also satisfies conditional access checks if they are needed. New. The update improves the sharing of local files in File Explorer with Microsoft Outlook contacts. You now have the option to quickly email. I'm looking over here to see how much time's gone by. New. The update expands the rollout of notification badging for Microsoft accounts on the Start menu. A Microsoft account is what connects Windows to your Microsoft apps. The account backs up all your data and helps you to manage your subscriptions. You can also add extra security steps. I'm not reading all of this, but I'll put the links below. This update adds many new features and improvements to Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. This update addresses an issue that affects text input host.exe. It stops working. This update addresses an issue that affects, I'm just going to skip that. The update addresses an issue that affects devices that use a network protector for BitLocker. The update addresses an issue that affects certain applications that use, I'm going to skip that. This update addresses an issue that affects a scheduled monthly task. It might not run on time if the next occurrence happens when daylight savings time occurs. I could have skipped that, couldn't I? Wow. This update affects an issue with the Azure Virtual Desktop and Windows 365 users. This update addresses an issue with some earbuds. Wow. This update addresses an issue that affects the recommended section of the Start menu. When you right-click on a local file, it does not behave as expected. The update affects the desktop Windows Manager. It improves reliability. I have to take a drink of orange juice. The update addresses an issue that affects File Explorer. About the beta channel. I'll just let you read that. I haven't read it yet. Okay. I think that's it. I'm going to upload this, and I will put the links for this information, and then there are some others that talk about that are like normal when I do this. There'll be some other sites, so I'll put the link below to those sites so you can find out about the changes that have been made. Today, the last day of January, February, March, April, May, June. Tomorrow's July 1st. Okay, I'm going to post this, and then what I'm going to do, so if you don't see me again, you'll know I messed up. I'm going to move my two monitors off of this desk and back over to where they have been, over here. I'm just moving the monitor. The computer will stay the same, and everything else. But I've just been using this other desk with these monitors so long that I just doesn't feel like it's normal. The desks are the same size. I have two of these desks that are, I think, $129 or something each. And so I'm just going to move the monitor, so it should be okay, but I'm going to upload this first and then move these two monitors over here. So if you don't see me again, you'll know what happened. I got electrocuted, or a monitor fell on me or something, Anyway, going to stop this for now. So please give a thumbs up. Please click something. I don't know. Subscribe to a link. Use my Amazon link or something to log into Amazon and buy something, so I can buy more toys here. Like I need more toys. Really. I don't know how many monitors I have. I counted them a couple times. I've counted them fairly recently but everything is working okay with this old Dell computer that cost me $200. It was from Amazon and was refurbished. It's working fine. I'm very happy. So thanks for watching. Please, I guess, leave a thumbs up. I want you to do something. Make yourself heard. Let's see. It is 2:50 p.m. here in Texas, and it's hot. Let's hope this is a hot upload. It gives me some new things to play with. Thanks very much for watching.